So today I am installing this Yaki straight lace frontal wig from My Quality Hair. Then get into it because this is an 18-inch, 150% density, pre-plucked, invisible lace frontal wig. Take a look at this hairline, y'all. I am in love, number one, with the texture. And, to just make things even better is just having a beautiful hairline and an invisible lace. So, yeah, girl. So, as you can see already, I am pretty much going for a curved C part with this look. And I'm going to be doing my edges a little different on this wig because I've been trying to figure out how to get the big swoop on the side with the edges, and I finally figured it out. So I'm so excited to be trying it on this wig. So I'm going in with some new hairspray, which I'm going to link below in the description bar. You can pick this up from Amazon or your local beauty supply store. This stuff is amazing, y'all. I don't even use the got to be glue hairspray anymore. This stuff is literally the shit. Okay, so to achieve the baby hair look for this particular style, I'm just bringing out some of the baby hairs around the front of the wig, and I'm taking this pixie cut, or not pixie cut, girl, pixie curling iron to curl the baby hairs and trying to swoop them into the hairline to achieve this look. I'm sure you girls have seen the baby hairs being on the side of a wig. So yeah, girl, that's what I'm trying to do right here. But honestly, I feel like I got my wig down a little too far, or I need to do another swoop or something. Girl, I don't know. I'm finna just play around with it because I really wanted this style for this particular hair texture. So I'm gonna keep playing with it and see what it do. So basically what I did right here, honestly, is I went back and I plucked some more of the baby hairs because it was giving, girl, that's way too thick. So I'm liking this look a lot better now. Y'all, this texture is so pretty. Okay, so as far as styling the hair, I'm going to be using my crimping iron instead of straightening the hair. And honestly, y'all, crimps is a whole vibe. I don't even understand why I don't crimp my hair more often because it's so cute and convenient. You start off with these big crimps and then over time it drops to these beautiful deep waves. So yeah, girl, that's what I'm going to be doing for this look today. wig is already giving, it's growing out of my scalp, but I'm going to add some concealer just to emphasize that part a little bit more and just to, level up my wig install and to also hide any little black dots that may be hiding and maybe did not get bleached during the bleaching process. So as you can see, I pretty much have crimped my entire head, and now I'm trying to really figure out if I want to pull my crimps apart or if I just want to keep it big like this and let it fall on its own. But one thing I know I am gonna do is clip these ends, baby. Okay, girl, and this is pretty much the final look. Y'all, I really, really love this install. It was so easy to achieve this look. It is definitely giving the natural hair vibes. I love how I did not have to do a whole lot to this wig at all. And I absolutely love the texture of this wig because look at how beautiful the crimps look once I combed out the hair. So girl, definitely make sure you check out that description bar because this is a wig you want in your collection, not only because of the hair texture, but also because of the hairline, and the lace on this wig is insane. Super duper natural. So make sure you check out my quality hair. Everything will be below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you girls in the next wig video. Mwah.